So Facebook supervision, this is quite a popular feature right now on Facebook. Setting up supervision on Facebook requires confirmation from both a teen and their parent. First, a teen of their parent sends an invite for supervision. So yeah, you can just generate this invite code. Then the invite must be accepted for supervision to start. If the teen sends the invite, they must then confirm the parent who accepts the invite is the correct person. Keep in mind, only one parent can be supervising teen's account. To be supervised, teens must be 17 years old, and the parent must be over 18 years old. Both teens and parents must have an account, Facebook account. And then basically, so how it works, so you just need to send an invite. Keep in mind that invite expires 48 hours, so just 2 days from the time they're first created. If the invite has expired, then you need to create a new invite again. So you just need to tap on menu on Facebook, tap gear icon, settings, privacy, then tap family center and tap create invite. Review the information, just create invite, and then just share it. Invite expires after 48 hours. You can resend or cancel an invite if it has been less than 48 hours. You can accept or decline it. So if a teen invites their parent to supervise, the teen must confirm that is the correct parent. And then supervision for multiple accounts also possible. So for example, here's like a family center, and then invite your teen to let you support and supervise them on Facebook and Messenger. They need to accept before supervision starts. So supervision on Messenger is only available if your teen is using Messenger with a Facebook account. So then basically you just create this invite link, and then also you can cancel it. And then so here's your link, and then you just copy it and share it to your teenager. So, this is a very important feature of Facebook overall, to control your teen usage of Facebook and Messenger, just basically to, control the details of your teen's usage on Facebook. So that's basically the idea, quite an important feature of Facebook app right now. So give it a try.